forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No.
Winnie. Look. Kill you. Goodbye. Goodbye, cruel world. And look, Winnie, more children are arriving. Hello, my loves. Today's video is, guys, can't you guess? It's Mary Sanderson. Oh my gosh. I wanted to do the other two witches last year, but like I said, I ran short on time because I went all out for my Halloween series last year, as I am doing this year. And this look is such a favorite of mine. Oh my gosh, this was so much fun to do. She's just such a weird character, but like, we can all relate. I mean, is it just me though? Because I'm weird? I don't know. But I mean, I had such a blast doing Winnie last year, and I had to do Mary this year, and I don't know if you guys can pick up on a few hints that I'm posting on Instagram, some hints that I'm dropping on YouTube. What do you guys think is next? I just did Sally, then I had an unboxing, and now I have Mary, but can you guys guess who is next on my list? Because this is super fun and I just love Hocus Pocus, guys. But I want to cut all this chit chat now. If you guys want to stick around to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, for this look, I'm going to be using these gorgeous Hocus Pocus makeup brushes from Spirit Halloween. And then I'm going to be priming my eyes with my Morphe Eyeshadow Primer. And now for this look, Mary has a bit of a messy smoky eye. That's my take on it. So I'm going to take my Beige Cosmetics Dark Rose palette and I'm going to take that like pinkish reddish shade and I'm going to put that into my crease. And then you just want to keep on blending and blending and blending. And now we're going to take that dark brown shade and we're also going to put that into the crease and just keep on blending and blending, guys, until you get the look that you're satisfied with. And then, guys, right after that, we're going to take that black sparkly shade and we're going to put that onto our lids to create that smoky effect. And I love how this comes out in the end. Guys, forgive Mary, she does not know what an eyelash curler is. But anyway, now we're going to be going in with my Maybelline the Falsies Mascara. And now I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Pure Beige. Instead of using foundation, I opted for some powder instead. And now I'm going in with my B8 Studio Pro Ultimate Brow Palette. And I'm going to be taking a shade that is not my usual shade because Mary has uneven and thick eyebrows. So I tried to mimic that as best as I can and I love how it came out. And now I'm going in with my Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil in the shade Black Love. This is waterproof, by the way. And then guys, it wouldn't be Mary if you didn't add her little mole. And now I'm going in with my Maybelline Cream Lippie in the shade Divine Wine, and I love how this pulls the look all together. Alright my babies, and that is it for today's video. What do you guys think about this look? I just love how this came out. I love the Sanderson sisters, and I just love Hocus Pocus. So, let me know what you guys thought about this down below, and if you guys recreate this look, please tag me in photos. I would love to see them. Alright my babies, and that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notifications bell. That way you guys will not miss any more uploads. And guys, trust me, you do not want to miss my Halloween series this year. I will blow you guys away. Leave some comments down below if you guys have any guesses. Let me know what you guys thought about this look. And as always, if you guys recreate any of the looks that I'm doing, please tag me in photos. I would love to see your recreations. And guys, until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye bye.
It's barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.